Hi guys, today we talk about how can you disable classic inverts on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click here on settings here. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on display in text size. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to classic invert, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's main classic invert disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.